Organic waste includes food scraps, crop residue, fallen leaves, bushes, grass clippings and weeds, straw and animal dung, etc. In composting, biological decomposition occurs in controlled open-air setting when microorganisms break down organic material. Oxygen from the air diffuses into the moisture and is taken up by the microbes. Compost contains a range of micronutrients and microorganisms that are not usually contained in inorganic fertilizers. Nutrients in compost are not less likely to be lost by leaching. Food scrap should be organically disposed of at home. It is good to the environment. It is the dealing with your food scrap responsibly. Composted waste is healthy. It regenerates poor soil and produces healthy microorganisms. Composting of food scrap can be performed in compostable bags at home. Composting process speeds up when a handful of biomix, mixture of 3 parts of animal dung manure and 1 part of leaf mold is applied over food scrap, thrown every time in the bag. Composting keeps waste out of landfill and the incinerator. It can prevent soil erosion, air and water pollution. Crop residue can be returned to soil for nutrient recycling and to improve soil physical, chemical, biological properties. Recycling of crop residue returns soil organic carbon. It increases the rate of nutrient cycling and crop production. Water erosion is decreased. Composting of crop residue in the fields is possible with adequate supply of nitrogen, moisture content and abundant microorganisms. A simple method will work. Make heaps of crop residue. Boil the equal quantity of water. Dissolve nitrogenous material such as urea nitrogen or aged animal dung. Pour on the heap. Cover the heap with plastic sheet. After a week once again, repeat the process for another week. Mix in the soil. Dry leaves are the nature's perfect mulch. Dry leaves are carbon-rich organic material. Moisture is necessary to make the decomposition faster. They can retain lots of rainwater in rainy season and decay to form leaf mold. Dry leaves and grass clipping together can be decayed to form nutritive leaf mold. Leaf mold is great to control the weeds under shrubs. Cemented biopits can be constructed in the field to collect the dry leaves. Dry leaves have high concentration of lignin, so fungi is responsible for its breakdown by releasing enzymes. The high FeDRW nourishment from the litter, enabling the fungi to grow and spread while breaking down the structure of the dead plant material. Animal manure is rich in NPK. It can improve the soil structure, aggregation, so that the soil holds more nutrients and water and therefore becomes more fertile. By adding 3 parts of fresh animal dung with 1 part of leaf mold will compost animal dung faster and reduce the methane. Leaf mold is rich in carbon. Carbon credits can be claimed for avoiding methane production. However, the aerobic process of composting doesn't produce methane because methane-producing bacteria are not active in the presence of oxygen. Methane can be captured from landfills. It can be burned to produce electricity and fuel. Rather than a problem, waste should be regarded as high-quality, renewable resource.